Okay, so yeah, hi team. So recording has been started. So let's continue from where we stopped last time. So what we did last time is, if I'm not wrong, we did till, let's log in. We did till adding the category Ajay test Gmail and test test at the 123. Let's open SQL Server also parallelly. Okay, so what it says, let's see. Ajay test1 Gmail test at the 123. So test test at the rate 123. That's the password. Yeah, logged in. Okay, good. Okay, so coming in a line, Ajay Shankar test1. Good. We have category, lobby, product, user, inventory. This we only created. Remember what we were at category, adding a category. Okay, lobby category. Okay, product. We are getting error because the service is not started. Okay, so let's quickly, keep the service also running. So 1 second. Let me open the service. This weekend, I mean today, you will have these services also on some URL. So as of now, I'm working on the local, but you don't need to work on local. Let's say if you wanted to try at your home, I will be having a separate DB today, and I will be having a separate API today. So when you try this weekend, when you practice this weekend, you will be practicing on the live API. So no matter how many records you insert, it's all done. You will not be working on the live DB of Learn now. It will be a separate eShop DB and eShop service. So it's C drive, practice project, and then we have Ajay Git, eShop mock. We should have eShop separately too. Okay, I got it. So it should be, yeah, eShop API. Let me just keep it running. I have created a Git lab. I've created a repository for this as well, API as well. So if anyone wanted to have access, I can give you the access of of the .NET API also. It's running. It's 1464. Okay. The the port number, and we're talking about the category. We have get categories. Let's hit this one and check how many categories we have inserted. Okay, so these are the categories that we added, that we have, right? These are categories that we only inserted that day. So it's working good. Let's see our application here also. If we refresh, yeah, so it's working, right? One second, let me put it at 75%. Yeah, so it's working, right? So what was not working is the pagination last time. The pagination was not working. So I I have not worked on this part, the pagination part. Probably I'll see it this time, right? But let's finish the other part. So pagination is the only pending part which is not there, which is not done yet. Correct. So whatever you add, whatever category you add, is going to add it over here only, right? I mean, it's going to have it in the table only. There is no pagination yet. So if you have 100 records, so all 100 you're going to see in this table itself. If pagination will not work, correct. So I'll try my level best to finish the pagination part today. I mean, sorry, not today. This week, right? Maybe today, and able to show it to you tomorrow. Otherwise, I will do it in this weekend or this week, and you'll be able to see it, very soon. I mean, probably before the next session. So that's the only thing that is pending last time in the common table. So what we did is, in the last session we have included the table from Angular material. This is not a regular table. This is a table from Angular material. Let me just open it for you. Yeah, this one, category. If you see category list component, so this table, it's a mat table basically. Correct. Okay. So category part is working, and why we are having. Yeah, no, it's fine. Now the next thing that I see is the lobby category. Let's quickly finish that part as well. Lobby category. After lobby category, what we're supposed to do today itself is the product part. Once the product part is also done, I mean, you able to add product, you're able to fetch product. Then we can simply work on the product. Uh, I mean, the view card, because once the product are there on the screen, then we can simply click on the product and then say add to view card. So add to view card functionality, we'll finish it tomorrow. I'm 100% sure we're not going to able to finish it today. No issues. Today we'll finish the lobby category and the product part both. Once these two are done, our main hurdle is done, because we need to make sure that everything should run dynamically, right? If we want everything should run dynamically, which means it should be coming from the DB, it should be posted to the DB, everything, the complete flow should be towards and from DB, right? So let's quickly finish. And I said we'll pick lobby category first, but there's a correction. I should start product first. We should start product first. Why? Because once you have the category, and then you're going to add a product under the category. Once the products are done, then only you can decide which product you want to add it under the lobby category. When you say lobby category is nothing but this, like new collections, deals of the day, right? Latest product. hot deals. So these are lobby categories. And when I say categories, then by saying category means I'm talking about these categories. Correct? So unless you have products and categories, you cannot create lobby category. So what we do is let's quickly go through with the product part. And 1 minute. Let's see in the API. We have a product controller. Yeah, product controller. There I've already tested how to insert a product and get a product. Let's quickly check the get product route is working fine or not. So I am going to my API. Okay, it is hitting. Good. That's good. So it is fetching two products. As of now, two products are there in the uh, what is it, in the DB, right? Which means this is working, and I need to insert one product. So I can show it through Postman also, but that's not our what do you say, our intention, our objective. Our objective is to have it done through our application. I am an administrator, we are an administrator, and we need to have our admin part up and running, which is this, right? So on product, you should have a form, very simple. So why don't we do one thing? The add category, what we taken, right? The form we taken, we can simply copy paste and get this working. So for that, let's check the product. Do we have that bifurcation? No. In product, again, we don't have add product and list of products. So what we can do is let's quickly open it. Go to cdsrc slash app slash admin slash product, right? Let's go into the product and then say nggc, c for component, and I'm saying add product. Let's add the component, add product. Yeah, and then I say product list. I need a service also. So let me just quickly check. Do I have a mock service? I mean, if yes, then I will just add a new, what do you say? Just add a HTTP call over there. If it is not there, product service is not there, I will do it right from the scratch. So I guess in the provider section, I have a home service, which I was using it for product. So it's time to add a new service as well. So I will go back to SRC CD app. Under app, it should be provider, right? Providers, and then I can add ngg service and say product. So it's going to add a product service. So I did all three things, right? So let's start from product service first, because that is the one which is going to fetch and insert the data. So let's finish this product service first. So here, this is the usual service. You say remove, because I don't want it to be a what? It to be a global service, right? Close this terminal. Now what we quickly do is the one we did for category. Yeah. Then dependency injection, and then I should have methods like this. See, once you understood, it's going to be copy paste stuff. again later when I will upload this or when I will share this, right? Check in my code, I'll make sure that I will be having a response not of any. It should be response of some type. So I need to match my product response with some type. Correct? As is nowadays it is, if you mouse over, it says observable of product, which it should be observable of some type, some object type. So I'll create a product uh, model and then hook it. I mean, then map it, right? So you know how to do that. So I'm not putting it now. I'll put it and check in. Now, important thing is need to change the API URLs. So for get is going to be this eShop product and then get products. And for post, I'm 100% sure should be add product, something like that. Yeah, see, add product under what? Under the main, that is eShop slash product slash add product. Good. Yep, that's my controller name product and my method name is add product. Okay.
Change the method name.
Yeah, add product.
No. Here get category is there. That should be a get product, right? It will make confused then.
Which one? Yeah, here you saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm changing. It's still not done.
No,
I'm
no. Yeah.
I'm changing. So now one more thing. Hold on. Okay. Now the request. What is the type of request it is expecting? It's product request. Get products as we just said and add product. Add product. Okay. Where we have this. So under the model section, let's go to model. Yeah, under the model section, let's add one folder, say product, and in that folder, let's have class, say say product request. Right, and I say export class product request, curly braces open close, paste it. Right, and instead of this get set, I should say equals to, so ID would be of string type or maybe any type I can take. You can check ES category for the meta. Yeah, I took EN, sorry, took any, right, and then okay, Why I did equals to, it should not be equals to, it should be colon. This, and then product name should be of string type, of course. Is visible should be of boolean type. Image should be of string type. It's a path. Sticker would be a text string. Discounted value should be a number. uh, Text is just for printing, so string. Market price should be a number. Selling price should be a number. Route info should be a string. Category ID should be any. It's a category ID. The category ID we just added, right? Then it should be my constructor. Open close. Okay, good. So yeah, our model is done. Product request model. So let's go back to the service and let's try to fetch it over here. Under model, you will find product now, right? It's all there. And you want to import obviously product request. That is what you're passing here, correct? And your ES product, done. That's it. That's what I need to do in service. Of obviously, we'll see where is the error, if any error comes, right? What is the error, why it's coming, we'll see, we'll investigate. As of now, I don't see anything I need to do here in the service. Let's quickly go back to our what? Let's quickly go back to our component. So let's open product.component.ts. Hold on. Okay, this is just my model, and this has nothing to do with it. Okay. Okay, so now you see I have a discrepancy. Maybe this will break us later. You see, I have two product component and I can have any number of product component. Point is, this product component is a part of admin, right? You can see it's a part of admin module, this product, and its component product.ts, product component.ts, and we have one more at the parent level where we have, that also has the same ES product. So what we do is, obviously two components with the same slitter cannot exist. What we should do is we should name it differently, say ES admin product, right? Like that should be the component name. But again the name, this product component name, and the class name now same. So let's change the class name also. So it should be product admin product component, right? Now this should be good enough. What else? Now we change both class name as well as a selector name, so we are secure, no issues. Yeah, now important thing is when we go to product component, right, the very first thing that we need to do is we need to hook both add product and the product list here, correct? So if you see product list, I will face the same issue, because later if I wanted to have product list, uh, later if I wanted to add the list of products in my parent product component, which is at the parent level, first level. I hope you understood what product I'm talking about, right? if you see this parent, which is at the login home level, right? Guys, you understood? Did you understand my point? My point? We have one product under the admin, and we have one product component at the top level also. So we should not clash with this, because later I may have add no, not add at least, but I may have product list under this as well. So I need to make sure that there's no duplicacy, there's no redundancy. So to avoid redundancy, I should change its name. So it should be admin product list, and this should be also es admin product list, right? Add product, I'm 100% sure that obviously it's not going to be at the parent level, it's always going to be at the admin level. But still, for the better naming convention, I can say admin add admin product component, and this also es admin add product. Okay, so now what I was saying is, just for the safety sake, now we have both the components ready. That should be put on top of product component.html, so that they will get called. So first is this, then line break, and second one is the list, which is es admin product list. Saved. Guys, I hope you understood what I'm doing. Is it clear to all of you? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yeah, no confusion?
No, so fine.
Okay. So I minimize everything, close everything, and I'm opening it one more time. So product, under that we have, okay, one quick thing. Okay, let's see the output. Is it working or not? Okay, obviously we change its name, and in admin module it's still the same older name. So yes, we need to make sure we'll change the name. So it's add admin product now, and this is admin product list. Of course, the same I need to change in the declaration. Yeah, done. Save. Now it should be fine. Let's see. After running it, okay, what says is undefined. Okay, this may be the problem, that my this was running, my server was running, and I added component and services, right? This may be because of that. So just kill the server, start it again. If it is still says the issue, yes, there's an issue then. I mean, we are taking a what do you say? We are exploiting this live environment. I mean, this Angular live environment. It is only for the change of text, or change of change in the file. If you change a file itself, the file name itself, or let's say you change any, I mean, you add few more files, then of course you need to kill the server and start it again. So what it says now is, it says in admin module, product component has no exported member. Okay, line 14. Okay, go up. Okay, that name also got changed. Yes, now it is admin product or something. Yeah, copy, and okay, change here and change here. So admin product, add admin product and admin product list. It should be admin add product by mistake. Just a spelling change I did. And same thing, obviously I will do it over here. Should be admin. Come on, man, where are you? Where's the product? Not this guy. Talking about this guy. Okay, so I'll change it like, as I said, admin add product. Admin add product. And we'll open here. Change its name to admin add product. Now it's fine. Okay, let's see, is it working or not? Yeah, good. So I am having add product also. I'm having product list also. Good. So let's quickly finish it. We have services, we have everything. Let's start from add product first. So add product component from here. So I will do a little bit of copy pasting so that we can save some time. So I am going to take it from add category component. So in add category component, I copy the mock, I mean the HTML structure, come back to my add product, right? Here, of course, instead of add category, it should be add product. And obviously all these names are going to change, but obviously, right? I go back to add product component, and then let me just check what I can copy paste from this category in the TS also. So I will be, first of all, sorry. First of all, I need this GUID. I need service. Good. So go back to add product component. Add this. Import the model. Model size product slash, yeah. So done. Then model and then service also. So I say import two stories up, two more stories up. Do I have a do I have a product provider? No. Again, three stories up, you will have providers slash, you should be having a product service over here. Yes, we do have, and product service, right? So I added all three, I mean the required one. And now what I want is obviously this product service should be injected. Dependency injection, so I say private paste This is our product service. So dependency injection part also done. Hooked. Now next thing is I should be having a method called add product handler, right? And I should be having one basic variable, say product class variable, I mean to say, which is of product request type. It should be of course an object. So in the constructor I will be initializing it. I say this dot product equals to new product request. Initialize. Now constructor will call and initialize all the product request class property with the basic, I mean with the default values. That part done. Now in the console log, console.log, I can say this dot product. Done. Good. Now what I need to think, I mean what I need to do now. Okay, great. Let's go back to its HTML and try to hook whatever we have in the product request, right? So my basic object, I mean my class object is product. Sorry, I opened the wrong one. Product, right? And the product is having all the properties now, which we added in the product request model. Right? ID, product name is visible, image source, sticker, whatnot. I mean everything is there, right? So let's go back to the HTML and let us open both of them. This is, where is the HTML? Yeah, so that I'll remember what is the property name. So it's product dot name. So I have a product name, right? So I'll take the same thing for name. Done. Enter the product name. Yeah. What else? I mean, what should be the hierarchy? So product name, then I should have product image source, for example. Okay, image source comes later. Okay, I'll put it in a sequence. I mean, I put it just like that, and then we arrange the sequence later. Let's finish this part first. So wherever I have a category, it should change to first of all product. Let me just quickly do that. And then you see route info we need. Yeah, yes. We need route info. We need menu level. No. So I can, okay, that is visible. Yes, I need is visible. Is visible, done. Image. Okay, I'll go quickly in the same sequence of the model. So image source, image source, image source, image source. Then next should be sticker. So sticker, 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 sticker name. Then I'm having discounted value. Okay, discounted value. Okay, so this is the value should be in number. It should be number. So text, instead of type text, it should be number. But when we have the text, right, that should be in the string, because there I can say minus 50% off, or something like that. should be text. Market price, again, it should be number. And selling price should be a text. No, sorry, my mistake. Selling price also should be a number. Selling price, yeah, selling price. What else? Route info already did, and category ID should be, I should be adding the category also. So I need one more service which will fetch the category and category ID, right? So we need to take care of that part as well. One second. Yeah,
Ajay, small.
yeah.
You said that you need a separate category service. So
Mm-hmm.
this product service only, it won't fetch the product with category ID.
No. If you see, good question. That will clarify your doubt. If you see this one, this says already added product. Correct. What I
Mhm.
want is, now I'm trying to add a product. So when I will be adding a product, I need to check which ID I'm talking about. Getting a point? I mean, which category I should add this product under. Did you get my point? No.
Mm.
So okay. So if you see, where I should show you. So if you see, category, so here
Mhm.
I'm adding all the categories.
Right,
Why is it
correct.
done?
I agree. I agree.
Right?
Yeah.
And now when I add a product, I
Mhm.
need to check. I mean, it should be a part of woman category, or men clothing, or phone accessory, or computer office, or consumer electronics, or jewelry, or bags, or what.
But these all are parts of the categories, right? This women's clothing and everything.
Correct.
Yeah. And the product is separate. There is a mapping between product and category. There is should be a relationship, right?
Correct. So
With
that relationship, I'm putting it now here. So when I need to add a product, when I'm adding a product, I need to mention that this particular product, which for example, I'm adding a bag, for example. So I'm adding a bag. Bag is a part of which category? Is a part of woman clothing, or men clothing, or computer and accessories, or consumer electronics, or what?
yeah,
Or
but if you are
bags and
no,
shoes.
no, that's I agree. That's I agree. But if you are if you have taken care in the back end, right, that time product related to the category, it will fetch for us. So why we need to add here in front end the service, different service? Why we need? That's my question.
No, why? Okay. If you say why I need service, what I can do is I can use the same service which I am using it here. See this one. Let me move the code. So the service which I'm using to fetch all the categories. This one. I can use the same service and get the category.
Yeah, that's I agree. But whenever the get category is this service, right?
Mm-hmm.
We need to take care in back end only, right? So see, if you are fetching the product, that time the again one more service you are hitting the same, then load will be more. There is no
I
relationship.
guess you're not understanding what I'm saying. Is I am admin. I am admin. I need to decide. I'm in the admin panel. Now I need to decide the product which I'm adding, right, will be a part of. I mean, the product that I'm adding should be a part of a particular category. I'm admin, not a user. Admin is deciding I'm adding this product, and this product is a part of, I mean, this category. So that selection I need to do over here. How can I add this selection at backend? I need to tell, I mean, in the front end only, I need to tell that this product is under this category. Are you getting a point?
Okay. Yeah.
No, you got my point?
Yeah.
Or you still have a confusion?
No, fine. Yeah. Got it.
So what else? Okay. So route info not required, so I'm removing it. Oh, sorry, already there. Already there. Yes. Already there. Apart from this, yeah, category ID I was talking about. It's visible. Already done. Okay. Saved. Let's see where it is giving an error. Okay. It says admin add component, no provider for provider service. Okay, good. So obviously we have not given any provider for product service. So we go to add component, and as I said, sorry, add component. Where is component? Yeah. And here we give a provider to a product service. Saved. See now. Okay, good. So I am getting the form, and it looks good. Only thing is, let's finish the category filling part as well. Population of category. So for that, what I do is I'll go to add product, and
I have a suggestion.
yeah. Tell me.
Can we, why we are giving the input img image URL? Can we make it browse button, something like that?
Okay, yes, I can do that. No problem. You were saying like I will be selecting the image.
Yeah, like that.
Okay. Would you mind if I do it later? Let me just check. I mean, first at least one insertion, let it happen, and then I do it. Huh?
Okay, fine. No problem.
Just wait for first insertion. First time that one record will get inserted, then I immediately put it to upload image. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Now what I was saying is, yeah, category. So either I should select a category right at the top or at the bottom. I mean, since it is an important part, so I should take it in the start that the product which I'm going to insert should be a part of this category. So no, not an input one. So it should be select. So in the select, I should have name, say category, not required. For ng model, I say category ID. I should have option, and this option should also be like dynamic. So asterisk ng4 equals to, let's say I will be having cat, let cat of categories, something like that. And this guy would be, value would be cat dot id, like this id. And the text here I would be having cat dot name, yeah, name, like this. obviously I don't have category, first of all, this array, I don't have the service also hooked. So let me do one thing. Let me go back to my add product component, and here I do need a category service as well. So two stories up, no, two more stories up, three stories up, I have providers. Then I have category, category service. Category service, good. I need to put it in the provider, say category service. So now see the beauty of it. If someone will be using, let's say if someone will already be using the category service in the program execution, when I will call over here a category service, then it will give me a fresh instance. It will not give me the existing instance of category service. So I'll be giving a will be getting a fresh service, just like I have employee class and I have two instances of employee class, even in E2 both will have the separate instance, separate copy. Now of course I need to say private underscore category service, category service, yeah. And now on, I would say get category, get category, categories. I should be having one variable, say the one which I taken in the HTML, that is categories, which is of which is okay. Oh, not any. It says it should be an array of any, or I should say any as of now. And then in the constructor I can say this dot categories is equals to empty array. I should take one details, which is any, of course. This guy should be an object. I'll see how I'm going to use this, right? Now in the get, what I need to do is I say this dot underscore category service dot get categories I have, then I need to subscribe it, and subscriber method will have two methods. One is a successful call, second is for the error. So in this I say data I got, no, I say response I got, and here I would say console dot log with I say res, and I say this dot what categories. That's a problem. I cannot say res dot data. It says res is not having, is not defined, right? That's the problem. So what I need to do, because res response is still not done, right? It is not defined. It is not even any type. So that's a problem. So I can say category detail equals to, I can take the response here, and then here I can say this dot category details dot data. Maybe this will work, yeah, because category detail is of any type, so it will not give you a compilation error. I hope you understood what I'm saying. To avoid this circus, or what else you can do, right? If you don't want to do, just transfer information, you don't want to play pass in the pass, so what you do is comment this not required, categories any not required, yeah, this array not required. You have category details, and you can simply say category details dot data. Where? In the HTML, here you can say categories category details dot data. So in the data, you will get the array. You will get this array. This is the data. Guys, you got my point? This is the data. Yeah. Guys, yes or no? Is that clear? Because all my APIs are having the same response structure: message, status, total record, and then data. Team, is it clear? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Anything?
Yeah.
Okay. Now this also should get populated, and okay, good. Let's start. Let's see how it works. What it will say.
We need to check the it's asynchronous, right? We need to check the ng if there for this get category purpose.
Yes. NG if there, and one more thing that I'm missing. Hold on. Yes, which is correct. So point is, as of now, there's no call made yet. So yes, this method should be called under the ng if, right? Since this is asynchronous, so till the time I am not getting anything, okay, let's see, do we have a solution for it or not? I say option in which I say selected value good. But where I went wrong, let's check. In its ng, I'm calling this. Let's get categories calling into. Okay, the pointer is coming to the service. Point is, I put a breakpoint. That's why it's stopped in between. See, now it's coming, right? Now it's coming. That's a men's. So I'm going to add the product under men category, or I'm going to add a product under computer in office, right? Like this. And one more thing. Can I say all should be in uppercase pipe, uppercase? My question is why I'm not okay. I got it. I have this also. Now let's save and see. Yeah, that's fine. And correct. Right. So let's quickly see, is it working or not? The complete form is working or not. So as a men, I add, let's say, a t-shirt, right? Image source, I put as of now anything. Right. Sticker name, I say exclusive. Then discount value, I say 20%. Text, I say minus 20%. Market price, I say $40. Selling price, let's say $25. Route info can be something. Is as well true. Let's click on add and see. Beautiful. We are getting an error. What? It says, come on. Spelling mistake. Right? Add product handler. That was a mistake. Let's do it one more time quickly. So men clothing, I say t-shirt, then I say something. Name is what name? Sticker name, exclusive or new deals? No. Sticker, okay, new. But product should not have a sticker. Nope. It may have a sticker like new, it's new. Okay. Sticker can be used for anything. I buy it. So 20%, then discount is like minus 20% off, something like that. Market price, I say 40, selling price 25, route info, something is visible, true, and then say add product. So let's see, are we getting everything? So, okay. This is category.id. I got it. Why it is saying category.id. Apart from that, sticker new, correct. Selling price, out info, product name, market price is visible. Image source, everything is correct. ID is also missing. So let's fix two things quickly. First of all, let's go to HTML, and in the select, it should be like this. One problem. The second problem is category. So what I should do is this dot, sorry, not category, ID. This dot product dot ID should be how we took in the category. It was GUID dot, let's see in category, GUID dot ID dot value. Yeah. Okay, GUID dot create. Okay, I understood. So this is how to create, and I said dot value. And why this guy is saying property value is a private, not accessible within the class? Okay, no problem. What we can do is we can say let product ID equals to this, and then we can say product ID dot value. No, as not this also not generated, so that's why it's giving an error. So what I can do is nowadays that object will get inserted to ID, but when we pass to the API, we'll say that object dot value. Remember last time we stuck on the same thing? add. Now you see the ID got value, right? ID got object inserted with value, correct? And you see category ID is also coming. The correct category ID is coming, which means my object is completely populated. So what I need to do now is I need to create a variable called product request which is of course equals to new product request. You can do like this also, right? Isn't it? Hold on. Yeah. So category ID equals to this dot product dot category ID, right? Come on. That's labor work is time taking. This is what kills the speed. After category ID is discounted rate dot discount text. Discounted value equals to this dot discounted value. Then ID equals to this dot ID dot value. Image source equals to image source is visible equals to is visible. It's a long run. Market price dot market price product name route info dot route info selling price sticker dot sticker. Okay, what is the problem then? What says cannot find category ID? Are you kidding me? Okay, got it. My mistake. So say yeah, right, and now I can say console log. Now I can say product request. Good. And let me start the service also. This dot product service dot add product request subscribe method. Either I'll get success or error, so need to prepare for both, right? I say res and then console dot log response error correct. In both the cases I will get notification. 1 minute. Okay, now Now it's hot, right? Whatever we get, we're going to hit this service. So what I'll do is, not in the get, but at least in the post, let me hit a breakpoint so that let me check is it mapping or not. Otherwise I'll stop it there only. And I wanted to pass a genuine product. Of course I can delete it later. So if you see in the products, I'm already having expensive bag, expensive watch. This is under category, if I'm not wrong, this is the first one, men clothing. Let's add something for the computer. So I say computer accessory, phone accessories, right? I say product name as iPhone 6. For the image, I say something. Sticker name, I say new. I say hot deal. Discounted 10%. Text should be minus 10% or 10% off. Market value of iPhone, I don't know in dollars, maybe $100. Selling price, we're selling it at 90. Route info should be something. Yes, it's visible. And what is it, guys? Should I press it or not? Let's do it. So add product. Now, are we getting all the values mapped? Bingo, it's all mapped. Not even a single one mismatch. See? So which means it should get, it should get inserted. So that is the first checkpoint. So my model is not invalid, it's a valid one. Okay, let's go ahead. Now the new row got added. Good. Now the changes are going to get saved. Here only, I will get to know, is it did it pass through or not? Yes, it passed through. Now there's no catch, and I'm finally in my response. So you can say continue, and it says product added successfully, right? And this is the product that you basically added, right, team? Now let's hit this service again and see, are we getting 3 records? Yes, we're getting 3 records. And where is my record? Yeah, this one. Team, all good?
Yeah.
All good? Yeah. Now let's quickly print it also, and then we take a break. So let's quickly do that. We go to where? Go to product list here, and we'll quickly add import statement. Product, yeah. Product service. Do a dependency injection as usual. Private underscore product. Yeah. Let's create an object, say products. No. Product info or detail, whatever you take, which is any, right? I'm taking this object for this guy, this complete, right? This complete. So I'm saying product response also is a right technical word or good naming convention. Product response, I guess that's the best one, because I cannot say products because I'm not getting array. Array is within the object. I cannot say product object or only product. That also is less informatory, but product response is a perfect name. Let's add a function, say get products, say this dot product service dot what dot get products, and of course subscribe method. Say response, say this dot product response equals to res. Done. And then I say error if any, console log dot, yeah. And just for the checking purpose, let me add a console log here as well. Done. So now this get products should be hooked here, right? That's how you should do. Create different methods and then hook them in ng on init instead of writing everything in ng on init. What else? We need to get ready for printing the table. Yeah. So where we did the printing table, in the category list. So this is my category list. This is my mat table, right? Before that, let's hook the column first. And what else we need to print the table? Let's copy that as well. So I need view child, that I'll write it, no problem. I need this to the table. Add product component, sorry, not add product components, list. This one. So I'll do this, and from the core I will take the view child. Now what next? Display columns. So the display columns, I should be knowing all the display columns. So what you want in the start, I say if name is fine, I don't need route info. Menu level is visible, I need. I'll take the important ones, right? One second. So I need name, I need sticker, I need discounted value or what? Text value should be fine. So I say discount only, discount, not value, discount. Before that, I should have its market price and selling price. So I can say MRP, and I should have its selling price, SP, right? Discount should come later if I write the sequence. Let's short its name. So I say discount, discount, right? Discount in percentage, discount percent. This is just a column, so it depends upon us. So discount percentage, market value, selling price, What else? Image not required, route info not required, is visible, should be there. And which category it belongs to, that also we should print. But the problem here is we are getting category ID. Okay, again we need to do some circles, so we'll do it, no problem. That's not a problem. In fact, that product, instead of get product, I should get it from some view where I should have my own data. I mean the data which I wanted. So yeah, now you see admin may not want all these data, or let's say user may not want all these data. I mean not user means not the customer client, I'm talking about the user which comes under admin. What if the user which comes under admin need not to know all the information, only few information? So that is what I'm talking about. So we should be having a view, which, okay, first of all let's finish this one, then we create a view also, right? And here now I agree, I should not be calling a service and making sure instead of ID the value category value should come. I should be having a view which should return me the category name. Agree guys? I should not do this thing in my front end. Uh, my backend API should handle this. So we'll check and finish that as well. But just for the printing sake, let me print the limited columns. Sticker done, market price, change it later. Yep. So name sticker. Yeah, name sticker. I guess all done. Let's move to the next part. Save. Okay, what else we have? We need to. Okay, response. I should have my response object. Good. Let's go back and check in the model product. So basically I don't have a response object, so let's create a response object. So say response. Good. As of now it looks same, but it will not, it will be a different one.
Naming convention is wrong.
Yes. So we'll change it. We'll change it. That depends upon the view, like what view is returning. So we'll change it. But as of now, I just wanted to hook it and print it, and then I will jump on the view, change everything. What if I need? Okay, let's see. First of all, let's hook it, and then proceed from there. So I say import statement double dots model, yes, slash product slash, come on man,
Ajay, this is we are displaying the product list, right?
yes.
So even we need to display this particular iPhone 6. How many iPhone 6 we have? We need to display for the admin also, right? The only one we are displaying the total number of iPhone. That column also we need, right?
You're talking about the quantity, right? Inventory.
Yeah, quantity, yeah.
We should. So that's what I'm saying. We need a view basically. So we'll create one view and then go ahead with it. Response model. So product response. Okay. Now so copy and product response. I guess all done. Let's go back to the HTML part. So in add category we have this. So copy and come back to product list, component HTML and paste. Here of course there's a change in the in your columns. But what I'm thinking is, where is my data source which got populated? So yeah, here that's the deal. Go back to product list and here it's a product response which you're passing. Now it's fine. So now you pass it to data source, paginator, sort. So now everything should work. Go back to the HTML again. Now it's just column that we need to change. So this is the actual column name and this is the printed one if I'm not wrong. But this is for sorting. This is for sorting. Okay, let's put it. So what I am planning to print, let's map and check. So I'm thinking of name, but it will come row dot name like this. Nope. There is an issue. Okay, 1 minute. When I add a product, my product request type is this. Okay, good. Let's see in my object, in my API, what is the model I'm carrying. So for product request I say this model. Okay, and for response, okay, my model is changed. That is double standards. It should not be like this. I would say either request or response should change. Okay, now it makes sense why it looks different, why both of them are different. Okay, we'll change it, we'll refactor it. Of course, as I said, we need to have a view, so in the view I'll change the names. As of now, I'll go by the same convention. The same convention says go with the response. Same convention says should be name. then sticker, then market price, then selling price is visible is also there. No, should be. Then discounted price, let's quickly copy and paste. And there should be is visible also. Should have is visible. Yeah. Selling price, selling price, selling price, market price here, and sticker goes here. Name is anyways there. Yeah. So this is done. Column names, with column names it is displaying anyways. I guess we are good. Let's see, will we get the data displayed or not? So I say /admin, products. Beautiful. I was expecting the same. Okay. No provider, same issue. No provider for product service. Of course, we need to add it under the providers. Our miss. Providers. And then I say product service. Saved. Now we'll see. Product. I am getting the data, but why I'm not printing is because of wrong copy paste, I guess. See, here I put NGF category details. I should put product response, right? That's why I said it's because of the wrong copy paste. So yeah, product response, copy and say NGF. Till the time you're not getting the product response, don't show your face. The moment you get populated, yeah, please show it. Okay, so we are getting the product. So iPhone 6, expensive bag, expensive watch, sticker, hot deal, new connection, right? Market price, all these things are there. So what do you say, guys? All good? All fine?
Yeah, Ajay.
Yeah. Any confusion, any doubt? This is a rough draft, right? It's just a draft. Now by now you understood what are the things that I need to do. So point is, I need information from one or two tables, and that's how I should that is how I should create my response object also. For example, what I see is I need to print the category very badly, right? Like iPhone belongs to which category it belongs to. So that I need to show over here. Then the quantity, how much is the quantity, how much iPhones are there. So it's quantity in the inventory. That also should be there. While adding a product, actually quantity should go at that time itself. So that change I need to do. So there quite a bit of work. So we'll start from the view first, right? We create a table, we'll start from the view first and then we proceed. So let's take a quick break. Give me a break of 10 minutes, right? Let me have my cup of tea, and then I will add a view, create a response. Or because this adding creating a view and doing the database work, you may not be for the same, I mean you may not come from the same DB. uh, I'll be working on SQL Server, working on the API, which is .NET based API. So you might not be in that area. Might not come from that area. People are from Java. People are from other technologies. So I'll not add that one in this video. Just I don't want to make you confused. So what I will do is this quantity and the view creation, adding quantity and the category, right? This part I will take it offline, but what I will do is just for the people who are from .NET, who are from API, I will record it and upload it. Okay. So after this, we'll see what are the other changes we need to do. After that, immediately we jump on the lobby category creation, which is very important, because without lobby category creation, we cannot design our homepage. Marketing team cannot design the homepage. They cannot add these deals of the day. They cannot add latest product, right? So we need to create a category, lobby category, very quickly. So we'll jump on that part, correct? So guys, I'm taking a break of 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we'll resume the session, right? So I'm putting myself on mute and freezing my screen. Just a second. Ram has a question. No, Sai has a question. So yeah, Sai, I know you are from uh, .NET. I understood, but there are other people also who are not from .NET, who doesn't know about the .NET or SQL Server, right? And if you see the course also, it's like pure Angular 7. I have not promised, and you have not also enrolled for .NET APIs and SQL Server. I mean, other may have the objection that why we are having this in the course, right? So that is why I said the view the change which I need to do in the view, the table that I need to create extra, like inventory table, right? The API that I need to change, all these non-Angular work which is related to .NET, right? I will do it today and I will record it. And those recordings also I upload it, so that people who are from the .NET, like apart from you, I guess Sharad is also from .NET, and Komli and Usha is also from the .NET. So I mean, for this, I mean, for you it will be helpful, right? But I'm extremely sorry, I cannot count it within the course. It is not right thing to do as well, right? And yes, I am having one more course starting, full stack, which is Angular with Web API and SQL Server. So if you maybe interested to join that course, you can join that. There I will be explaining, I mean, everything in database, everything in the API, correct? It will be helpful for you. It is going to start by 8th of the June, right? If you're interested, just let me know. Yeah, all good. I mean, is it fine? Great.
Yeah. Okay.
So let me just freeze my screen, put myself on mute. After 10 minutes, we'll resume the session. Hi team, I'm back. Is my voice audible? Hi team, is my voice audible?
Yeah.
Yeah, great. So let's continue then. Okay. So ad of the product and display of it is working fine. Just 1 second. So let's see one more time. I say phone accessory. Product is, let's say, iPhone 7. Something, sticker name, new collection, discount, let's say 15%, text minus 15% off. Market price, I would say, let's say $90. Selling price, let's say $80. Hit. Okay. So if I refresh, yeah, so it is adding. Okay. So this iPhone 7 record also got inserted. Okay, as I promise, as I told you, like other things, I will take it separately offline, record it and upload, just in case if you are interested, right? Now important thing is this part is done. Now my major question is this lobby category. How are we going to design this lobby category? This is very important. So this lobby category, and yes, Faris, on your request, you said no, like upload button should be there. So I'll do all those small tweaks, okay, and get it ready for you guys, right? As of now, important is for today's target. What I have is with me, that is complete this product and lobby category today. Now lobby category is far more important. Why? Because you already added everything, but the important part is how you are going to assign, right? How you're going to assign the product to a lobby category. So if I show you the lobby category response object, 1 minute, lobby category request. So that is what lobby category request model is in my API. Either it is .NET or Java base or Express.js is going to be a request model, obviously, and the structure is also going to be the same. Only the syntax will be changed. So if you do the same API in Java, your structure, I mean, your types will get changed. You do it in Express.js, your type will get changed. You do it in .NET, types will get changed. Otherwise, the request model or the architecture is going to be the same thing. Okay, so ID means I'm talking about the lobby category ID that is auto generated. I mean, we will generate it like GUID.create method. with the help of GUID.create method. Then we have lobby category name, which says, which speaks about this. Come on, like deals of the day, new collection, right? Pick for you, you might like, things like that. Is visible, of course, true, false, and create date. Now, question is, this is how you create a lobby. Then you need to have one more section where you have to assign your lobby, or I should say you have to assign product to a lobby, right? You have to assign product to a lobby. So what I will do is, for lobby, let me quickly add this lobby part, or okay, I'll leave it on you. Okay, please listen and decide. Creating just a lobby, creating simply a lobby, I mean creating a simply a lobby category is the same what we did with the products, the same with what we did with the category, correct? I mean, say insert and then get call. So first we'll post and then we get. So the same thing we just did. So that we can do it. I mean, I can do it offline also. Of course, I will record and upload, right? That need not to repeat. I mean, that there's no learning part in this. It's just the same thing, copy paste in front of you in 10-15 minutes, and show you, see it's inserted, see it is fetching the records. Important thing over here is, once I have, let's say, lobby also created, that I can do it through Postman quickly within no time, because my API are ready for it, right? So I don't need to write a code for it. I mean, to show you that lobby category got added, I can do it in Postman in 2 minutes. Now the important thing is not adding lobby category. Important thing is, once the lobby category got added, I need to make sure that I need to add products under a particular lobby. So that is the one which we should think. Now point is, here, as a technical guy, you and me can understand, okay, I need only lobby category ID and I need only product ID for the association, right guys? Even front end guys can understand this part very easily. When we let's say associate any product, when we add any product to a lobby, so we just need to actually associate the IDs, lobby category ID and product ID. If we associate it, so which means this product is under this lobby. So if I have, let's say, lobby category ID 1, for example, if I have lobby category as 1 2 3 4, then I can add a product X Y Z P Q A B, like any number of products I can add under that lobby category ID 1 2 3 4 5. Agree guys? Agree that technically we know it's an association, but my end user, let's say my user, right, who has no idea about the technicality, who has no idea about this association, all these things which we are talking about, for him or her, it will be our screen. It will be the screen where that person has to drag and drop or select or add from some list, right? And then add a product to lobby category. Are you getting my point, guys? Is that yes or no? Did you understand the situation of both the guys? I mean, from our side and from the non-technical guy side. Did you understand my conversation? Did you understand my point? What I'm trying to present in front of you?
Yeah, understood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What about others? Vijay, Ravi, Sai, Komli, Usha, Kavya?
Yeah, Ajay. Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm fine. Yeah.
Great. So you understood, correct? Okay. The point is how we should design this. Let me draw something before even starting. So to draw, what I have is, maybe I will say, maybe here I'm going to have a button to add category, right? Add category. But at the down, I should be having something like maybe 1 minute. I'm still confused. Okay, something like, come on, man, what happened? Say lobby category, right? It's a drop down. It's going to be a drop down, correct? Is going to be a drop down, and once I select a lobby category, let's say lobby category hot deals, and then I need to have maybe product, right? That also going to be a drop down, right? And maybe what I should do is, I'm just thinking of a mock-up because I don't have mock-up for that. And you tell me, is it okay, or what else we need to do? So say add. So this will just simply keep on adding. So what we can do is, what we can check is in the grid bottom, I mean in the bottom grid, we can check, I'm in the same lobby category with different product. When I click on, when I keep on adding add button, and add, so what will happen is, like for the given lobby category, you may have ended by adding 5 products, correct? Which means for this particular lobby you have added, sorry, 5 products, which is going to show on this, on the home page or wherever you want. And then finally you will have a button called save. What happened? Something like this. Say finally save. So when you say save, then what will happen is all the category IDs and their respective product IDs, because you may have 2 category IDs, but you may have 20 product IDs. Why? Because for the first category ID you added, let's say, 8 products. For the second category ID, lobby category ID, you added 12 products, right? And when you say save, it will get saved here. 1 minute. Spotlight. Yeah, you right. Then you're going to add all that data, 20 records, through this request object to the database, because this table is already ready. Are you getting my point, guys? Did you understand this part? Is it clear to you? Yes or no?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Now hold on. Okay, let me just quickly do that, right? Let's make a record that how quickly we can do add and get. Okay. So I need to save it. Let me just take a screenshot of it quickly, just for the reference purpose. Yeah, I have the screenshot ready, and now I can remove everything. Let me just do it. Yeah, great. So let's go back. to our code. So now what I want is add lobby category. That should have done quickly. For that, okay, that part, as I said, I will do it offline. So what I will do is I will make use of Postman and add few lobby categories quickly. Okay. And directly jump on the product and lobby category ID association. Okay, so by the time this Postman is opening, what I will do is I will go back to lobby category. Yeah, lobby category. There I have add lobby category and add product lobby category. So I need to check this one. And as far as this lobby category list is concerned, yeah, so we need to, so I will be showing you this lobby category product list and lobby add product lobby category. The add lobby category, I will be doing it offline and recorded. Yeah. So let's go back to its component here and make sure we will have add lobby category quickly. Close others. Yeah, line break and the list. Where is the list? List is at the bottom, which says lobby category product list, which is an association basically. Yeah, it's working. Okay, great. So let's quickly, create a. Let's go back to this guy. Add product lobby category HTML, and here let's add the form. So form should be quick. So what I do is I'll take the category list again. Sorry, add category again. Copy, paste over here. Say add product to lobby category to be precise. And here I should be taking, instead of category, it should be category lobby or lobby category. LOBBY lobby and category in caps. Add product under category. Add product under lobby category. Right, save and let's quickly do that. So what should be my model to add it? So it should show, for admin to check. Again, I cannot play with only ID. So I should be saying lobby. So this is a little critical, guys. I need your attention over here. please pay attention over here. I should say lobby category, lobby category. So it should be drop down rather than this. So as we plan here, right, I'm talking about this drop down. I'm talking about this drop down. So this adding a category, adding a lobbying category, that I will be doing it through Postman today, and I'll do it offline. As of now, we're talking about this page, this ad, this product, this lobby category. This one we're talking about. So let's quickly do that. I say select in the name. I say lobby category. No need of ID. I say ng model equals to lobby category name. Yeah, I need to design, I mean, I need to declare this lobby category object in the TS file, class file. That I will do it later, not now. I'm expecting, obviously this should get populated with some data. So I say stick ng for equals to something like, I will be having again cat, let cat, no, let lobby cat in lobby category, please. When this should be an array, again this will get populated by the API. We'll do the class, I mean class work, I mean to say TS work in one shot. Let me just finish this part here. This will have something like ID, and this will have something like name. We'll see in the response what they're throwing. It's name or category name, what, right? We'll check. So this is still under checking. What next? After this, let me just comment this as of now. So this one part done. Then I need to show the product, right? Product name. Let me just quickly do that. Is visible should be at the parent level. LC as of now not required. Next thing is again one more drop down, one more select. This is going to be for the product. So here what I will do is I say product name. Product name, right? The two drop downs are there. And then in the mockup, what is there? Two drop downs and then add button. So one button is there obviously, which is add lobby category handler. No, his name should be yeah, a text is fine. Add product under lobby category. Instead of add, it will show add product under lobby category, and his handler name should be, the right naming convention should be add product lobby category handler. So this should be fine, right? Let's, okay, so till this what I done is I have done these drop downs and button part. Now what is pending is this list part, list and final save. So for list and final save, let us plan. what we do for this list is, after the form, of course, let's quickly have a table. Okay, table tr th, and the table what should be shown is the lobby category name. Of course, lobby category means lobby category name, and the second column it should show product name, right? Product. So one row is done. Should I show anything else apart from this? I don't see. If we see, we'll add more. Okay, so my this tier is done. The next tier I should be having a for loop asterisk ng for equals to, I say let item of let item of product no, sorry, my mistake. This table part, this table part should be in the list component, not here. My mistake. So what I will do is, I'll open the list. I'll open the list and put the table here. Select item of items. As of now, I am having this name, items, and in the TD I can say curly braces open close. Say item dot. What did I pass here? It's product name, right? Guys, you got my point? Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you?
Yeah, Jay. Yeah.
Yeah. Now you see a little tricky part. This add is one child. Okay. This list is another child. Now you tell me. Now you tell me where this save button should be. Now tell me where this list should be. Sorry, save button should be. Should I add it under the add lobby category product or the list? Which child component should have this save button? I have multiple options. I mean, there is no right or wrong answer. I can have this final save button in the list also, right? Like once the list is done, then I can have it over here, and I can have this save button under the add component also, add lobby category component also. What I'm trying to say is, this button, no, not this button, sorry, the button which I'm going to create now. So tell me, I have one little better plan.
Ajay, the complete one, which will be the form, and that includes the above part and the below part, are the these are the two different compound, right?
So
yes. Then both can merge into that particular same form.
Which is this? But this may have, but this, so not may, this will have. That's what I'm saying. Please pay attention. If you have confused, if you have any confusion, please ask me now only. So understand this part, this lobby category component HTML,
Mhm.
this lobby category component HTML, the main, our main component is having, it will be having this part, its list, which I didn't show here. So consider adding a lobby category and listing the lobby category will be in under this, and adding the product with lobby category and listing it is with this. So what I'm saying is, you see this one, let me close all and now try to understand and then answer. I'm also searching for an answer. So lobby category, under lobby category you have where is my diagram? Yeah, here. So here you consider, which I didn't put. So here you consider there will be one more list. Why it's not working? You consider there is one list. Okay, there's one list and there is one form. Okay, form with a text box and a button over here. When you keep on adding, let's say hot deals, add new collection, add deals of the day, add deals you might like, add. So all these things will keep on adding into the list. So this much part, this add lobby category and list lobby category is this add lobby category and lobby category list. Understood?
Yeah.
Sorry, I need to take n from here. Yeah. So this and this list part is this. Now, what is the next part? So you can see the outer div has no parent component. There's no parent part. I'll come to that one later. So now you understood the inner, you understood the child component. Now it will be easy for you to understand what is the parent one. So for this much part, right, this lobby category product, which means adding add product under lobby category. So this guy and list and and lobby category product list is this. You understood? Got my point? Now there's a save button at the bottom. Where the save button should go? That's my question.
First, I think that we can first we select the lobby category and product, then add. I think we can add to local storage. Then after say and add one more, and like that add several, and then the bottom save button we can save the save from local storage to our DB like that.
So what you're saying is, okay, I like that approach. What you're saying is, inside this here lobby category component, the super parent. Super parent means which contain all four. Am I right? Which is going to contain all four. Which is this guy. Yeah. Let me check the spotlight. Yeah. Which is this guy. Right here I should have a button. Correct? Because okay, now let me just erase and show you something better. Okay, now what I was trying to say is, add lobby category. That's what I was telling you. And lobby category list. All four are here. right?
Yeah.
Basically. So I should have a button at the parent level for the final save. So somewhere here I can have a button. But point is how I'll apply the validations and everything. That is also a point. I would say the best place for this would be under the list, because if you see here how I mean, um, or I don't mind putting over here also. This is also not a bad deal. What he's saying is BUTTON button. I copied from somewhere. I got basically what you're trying to say. I can have a button over here, right? Say add product. Okay. Save product lobby category handler, right? Say save. Something like that. Let's hit output. So it will look something like this. So we'll be having a add lobby category, then lobby category list, one part, finish. Once you add all the lobby, once you add all the lobby category, once you're done with that, then you need to add a product under the lobby, right? So I have two drop downs for that. And then you're saying keep on, keep on clicking on add, and that will show in the list. And then finally you're saying save, correct?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay. So in the API, let's quickly see what are the category controller, and for add this is okay. As I said, I will be adding it from the postman category, yeah, and body raw JSON curly braces open close. What it is expecting is, let's see here. Okay, these four things. Remove. Come on. Yeah. So comma. Okay. Then this guy. Okay. So that's how it should be. Okay. So how I'll get the ID? I have a plans. So what we do is there is one site called GUID generator karke. So click on this, you copy, You paste over here, lobby category name, let's say hot deals, right? Copy from here, say hot deals. Hot deals, this should be true. Created date can be, once again, I say just copy pasting the date format. Just checking the date format, I mean to say. Do we have date? Yeah, date. Okay. So I say this is May and date is 25th, right? Let's add now. So added successfully, right? And when this is added successfully, let's say deals of the day, right? At least 2 we add. Of course, I need to change the ID, a unique GUID I need to add, copy, and I come here and then paste, and then send. So now I will be having, yes, 2 more, data. So let's quickly check the get part also. Add, what will be the URL for get? Go back to API, go top, get lobby categories. This is the URL. Good, send. It hit my breakpoint. Continue. So this is what it is sending, right? So data added successfully. So which means it's all good. Now what I need to do is go back to my code. I need to plan for this. So the lobby category I can get it, but I do need a product also. So for that we already have an API that we can call, right? So team, now what I need to do is I need to call the product API. Let me go back. I am already calling. I'm already calling the what do you say? 1 minute. I'm already calling this lobby category API, right? I already have this lobby category API, so I'll be calling and populating this dropdown, which is this one. Now the second one is for the product. It will be from the product, and then when you say add, it will simply add into the grid, not on the database. And yes, I mean parallelly we'll be saving it in the local storage or session storage. The moment we say save, then this API should get called. This API should get called, where I need to pass lobby category ID and product ID. Lobby category ID and product ID, and the API would be xyz.com/API/eshop/lobby category transaction /add lobby category transaction. Correct? So this way my multiple products will get added into a lobby category. So now my point is it's already 15-20 minutes above the time, and for most of you it's like midnight, right? So do you want me to continue on this, or I will continue offline with the recording and upload the recording? What do you say, guys?
Yeah, that would be fine, Ajay.
What about others? Vijay, I guess you are also from US, right? On site.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, it's like we are habitual of calling you guys on site, right? Because the same word we use it in our industry, on site. People who are in UK, US, on site. Okay. So you are from also from US. So for you also it's like midnight. We have Sai. He's
Yep.
also, yes. Okay. Komal is also on site. Ravi is also on site. Okay. So what I do is I have explained you what what need to be done. So after switching off, closing this session, I will be continuing on the same thing, but in the recorded manner. And once you see, once you find today's recording, you will find that I have extended this and finished this part, whatever I explained you. You got my point? So for you, meeting ends here, but for me, just for me, I will continue, finish this part, right? And upload the entire part. Is that fine?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. So you guys can drop. Okay. I'll continue on this and finish the recording completely. Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Sure. So bye team. Yeah.
Bye
Bye
bye.
Ram. Bye Usha. Bye Faris. Bye Vijay.
Bye
Okay,
bye.
bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Okay. So what I will do is, since I have time now, so what I can do is I'll go by the original plan. I'll first pull the categories, lobby categories. So for that, what I will do is I'll close first of all everything. Then open my source app. Where is my, where is admin lobby category? And I need to go to this add lobby category and it's TS. What I need to make sure is that these drop downs should be populated. So what I will do for that, hold on. Okay. So point is, instead of calling lobby category service in the child component, I see here I need lobby category service, which will give me all the lobby information, lobby category information. I need that in more than one child component. I may want it in some other child component as well within this. So I will be calling it in super parent component, like lobby category component, the main component, which comes under the routing, right? Not within the child components. I will be calling it in the parent one here. So I say import statement, then I say, do I have a service first of all which will call the lobby category? No, answer is no. So let's do one thing, let's add a service. We say we are already in the provider, so we say lobby category, right? Let's open lobby category service first. Say import what? Say from // providers slash lobby category service, and from there, of course, lobby category service. This should be part of the providers. Paste it over here. Do the dependency injection. Private underscore. So let's go back to the service now. So in the service, let's remove this part and let's start working. So I can again copy paste from any one of it, the basic things. Right? And then as of now, one method, say get lobby categories, get lobby categories, right? The URL for getting all the lobby categories should be in my Postman. So let me just copy from here. Yeah, this is going to give me the complete list of lobby categories that I'm going to throw back now. So my function, my service method is ready, which is going to give me the lobby category. So what I will do is I'll go to my parent component here, and of course I say get lobby categories, and then I say, of course I should be having, let's say, lobby category response, lobby category response, which is of any type. I don't know as of now. I am going to initialize it in the constructor. Say this dot this equals to curly braces open close. Then in this function, what I will do is I say this dot lobby category service dot get categories dot subscribe. Subscribe is going to give me again the same old story. Two methods, one is for success, one is for failure. I'm missing with the comma. So I say response, say this dot get this dot lobby category response is equals to response, and then what else? 1 minute team. Okay, just give me a minute. I'm putting myself on mute and freezing my screen. Hi team, I'm back. So we were at this point where we're supposed to get the response. So we got the response, and if there is an error, we say err, and then we can simply put it in the console log dot log, say err. Have a same kind of console log somewhere here, say response, and that's done. This category method should get called from here, done. And then what we can do is, now you see I have category response. So if you check on the, yeah, so now if you see it's HTML, what I'm planning is I'm planning to pass the list here as property. So I say lobby categories, lobby category list, lobby category list equals to, I can pass response data dot data, right? I can pass this. And now in this category list, I mean, I need this category list here also. And you can see I need this category list here as well to populate the drop down, right? Correct team? So I need basically, I need this lobby category data at both the places. That is why I put it at the parent level, and from the parent I'm passing it in the child, right? So let's go back to this product category, product list, I meant to say. Let's open the product list component, category product list component, this one. And here, since I'm passing it as an input, so I need input. I say at the rate input, and what I'm passing is the list. This one, it's of any type, and this is the guy which I need. Hold on, my mistake. Go back, not here, guys. I need this here to populate the drop down. So add product lobby. Not here. Let's remove it from here. Okay. So let's close all and then open it one more time. So now I'll open lobby. I'll open add product lobby category. And if you see, I'm passing this lobby category list in add product lobby category. So add product lobby category here. Here I should receive it. It's an input. Here I should say like this. And it's in its HTML where I have my drop down. I should hook it. So instead of lobby categories, my data is there in lobby category list. And just like I did it before, let's have the default selection where I say select category, and the value I say nothing is 0. This should be selected and disabled. Selected and disabled. Right? Let's see will it work or not. Okay, so it says can't bind lobby list category. This is happening because I unnecessarily added here also. As of now, it is not required. I mean, I should say, as of now, I'm not doing anything with this. So I passed it and it is expecting. But yes, I'm going forward. Now in the same session, I will be passing it. So what I will do is I'll paste it over here and comment it, right? Now there should not be an error. Okay, now it's a major one. Let's see what it says. ng for in isn't a known property. Okay, again a syntax mistake. I understood where I did the mistake. I should not have use in it. Okay, first of all, here itself it is not required. One, it's not a loop, and for this it should be off. Let's run it again. So you can see my category, nope, it is not populated. Why? There's a reason behind it. What they say is name, lobby category name is undefined. Good. Why this error is coming is because we don't have this object declared in our class, right? So let's go back and go ahead and declare an object over here. In the constructor, of course, I will say this dot lobby category equals to curly braces open close. I should have a model for it. Later I will put it into a separate file. As of now, let me have it here in the same file. Say model can be add product add product lobby category, add product, which is as good as add product to lobby category, and this should be lobby category name. First of all, this should be string. Okay, I'm putting the ID. Let's see how much I need this. Let's see, I need ID or not, but let me have it. ID. Let me have the ID. I may need it for the future perspective. So right now I'm in dilemma. Should I have it or shouldn't? If that is the case, let's have it. So it's any, because it's going to be GUID. Then you have name. The same model will have product also. Yeah. And I will be having product name, which is a string, and I will be having, again, I'm in dilemma. Will I be required an ID or not? So if that's the case, all of those to have it, right? Is better safe than sorry. So constructor calling is also there. Done. So later I will turn this, later I will push this model to a separate class, but as of now, let me have it here. Now my lobby category is of this type, and here I would say new open close, done, right? Let's see will it work or not. Let's check. Okay, Seems to be no issues, no error. It's coming, but it's not populating. That's what I am. Okay. Let's see how many category we have. Yes, we do have the category correctly, but why it is not adding? Maybe because of the property is not mapped correctly. So let's go back and check in the HTML what is the property that we binded. So we said name. It's not name. It's lobby category. Yeah. So we got deals of the day. We got hot deals as well, right? And just for the checking that am I having the correct thing or not, have I selected the right object or not? So in the curly braces, I'll say JSON. Yeah. So when I select deals of the day, you can see the deals of the day ID is this. If I change to hot deals, see the ID got changed, hot deal ID. So which means I'm doing right. So I can comment this line. Now the important thing is how to populate the product. So for that, what we have to do is we'll go back to our. Now here's the deal. Do I need a product service call at the from the parent, or I need it within the product component, right? Within this component. So I don't see getting the product information at the parent level or any other. I mean, important is I don't see it at the multiple level or with the different child components, right? I don't see the multiple child components or different child components in the same lobby category required. So if you see in my lobby category, which means to be precise, in my lobby category, there are 4 child components. Out of 4, only 1 child component required this product service. So I should be putting this one into the same component which is requiring it. If I have slightest of the idea that yes, maybe more than one more than one component may require the product service, then I should have called it in the parent one. Parent means the lobby component, just like I did for lobby category. But since it isn't the case, then then I should be calling it within the add product lobby here. So this time I will say okay. Now I say export. Again, I'll put it later, but I do have the model, product model, so I can take it from model, and we have product response model, so I can use the product response model over here, product response. So I say there should be one variable called product response, and which is a product response, of course, and then I can say right. That's fine. Now I can set up a call. Okay, I need a product service also, of course. So good. I say import dot slash 3 stories up. You'll find provider slash. There you will find product service. Obviously you will get a method called get products, something like that, right? So first of all, product service, let's have this product service in the provider section, right? Providers, yeah, and do a dependency injection. Do a dependency injection. Now say get product, get products. I'll do the refactoring later because I don't need the entire, product property. I need only product ID and product name. So I will refactor it later. But as of now, let's first of all finish this part and then do a little refactoring. So product service dot get products, of course. So I am expecting an observable to be thrown from there. So subscriber from my side obviously expects 2 parameter, one for the result, one for the error. So let's finish error first. So err, say console.log error. Go to response section, getting a response, say console.log. Oh goodness. So console.log, say response, done. What else? I need to populate my object product response with this. So I say this dot product response dot equals to response, and now okay, I understood what is the problem. It is not mapping with the response because it is not the same structure. So what I do is, as of now I'm putting any, as of now I'm putting any, and do accordingly, right? Let's see, give me a minute guys. Okay, so I'm back. Now what we're supposed to do is, we got the response and we're supposed to populate this guy. Let's see, will it happen or not. It should be response.data, of course, and what you'll get is product, and here you will say product.id and product date dot product name, if I'm not wrong. Let me just double check with the product controller or product response. So we'll be getting a name. Good, which is correct in this case here. And this default stuff says select product. Now what next? Now let's see, is it working or not? It should not be in, it should be off. Okay, good. Let's see. Refresh. Okay, seems to be working, I guess. Let's see. This is lobby category. I guess I did one mistake. Mistake in the, not mistake, I guess I missed it. Yeah. So get product function is not at all called an ng init, right? Obviously, that has to get called in the page initialization, component initialization, so that it will be able to fetch the information, right? So now it should be fine. Now it should be fetching it. And you should see it in console also. Yeah, so I guess, yes, product service call, and you can see we got the data, we got all 4 products, which means my dropdown is populated, right? And the category is also there. Now the simple thing is we need to put add button in so that we can add into an array, right? So what we'll do at add button, let's check, let's see. So what I'm supposed to do, hold on. Give me a minute, team. Let me just think of it. So, okay. So what we do now is on the add button, we say add product lobby category. Okay, so this function should be there first of all. Okay, have a handler over here, definition. We should have a list also, array also, which will have this array of this. So what we're going to do is we say lobby category. Okay, we say add product. In fact, pretty much this we needed. Add product lobby category. Add product lobby category list. Have a better naming convention is going to help you a lot, right? It's an array of it, and then what we do is we'll initialize it with the empty array, right? And time to time, what I will do is when we say add, we say this dot push push push, yeah, and we push this dot lobby category, right, which is there in the form, which is there in the drop down. Now the drawback which I see here is hold on. The drawback, the problem we're going to face is this lobby category and product name. Sorry, this product, yeah, the lobby category name and this product name is going to have only ID. That's it. It's only going to have ID. But what we need is a text, which means I should say lobby category ID here and product ID here, or product ID like this here. But still, we don't have product name, we don't have category name. So we need to fetch that as well. So what we do for that? Let us just think. Let's have a hash variable. Say hash and pass the same. Okay, let's have hash variable over here. Say hash and same hash variable put over here. Then I'll tell you the benefit of it. Say hash variable here and then product ID. Right? We'll try to play with the Innerhtml. Let's see. Will it work or not? So Innerhtml will give us the text. Right? Let's see will it work or not, as I said. So on the handler, right, on this, when you click, when you say add, I say product ID dot inner HTML. Let's see, will it give me anything like that or not? I mean, just we check with the product ID and we'll get to know that will we get it or not. Let's see. And on the handler side here, anyways, without before even pushing, let's see what we get over here. Save p name, product name. Check console.log and say p name. Right, let's see is going to happen or not. So in the product, if I say iPhone 7, for example, say add lobby, so it says undefined. Okay, so which means it's not working. Okay, I have a far better plan. What we do is, let's see when I can get the inner HTML. Is it a inner property of some object or some property? Let's check. So what I'm doing is I'm passing the product ID as it is. Now we'll see what we get. Right? Now we see what we get. Okay, add. So you can see you got a select, the entire select, which has option. So that is also a problem that I need to get the option, right? So in the option, we supposed to get the inner HTML, which means if I say dot selected, so what we'll get? Will I get a selected option? Let's check. Now my target is to get the option. Nope, undefined. Okay. Okay. What if I put the product ID instead of instead of putting it in select, what if I put it at this level, right? At this level, will it work? Let's check. I have a other way also, which is rather simple, but I wanted to explore something over here because hash variable is a very strong variable. I wanted to make most out of it. As I said, I have a simple way of doing it with the key value pair, but I wanted to explore this side. So let's say, will it work or not? Good, we are getting the error because I passed selected. So let's remove the selected part and then we check. This time I'm expecting a success instead of error. Let's see what happens. Click on iPhone 7 and click. Nope, it still says undefined. Okay, which means this way also we are going to get undefined. No problem. Okay, then let's implement the key value pair, right? So let's see with the key value pair. Okay, so what I've done is I have simply check the product ID and lobby category ID among the list. I checked it like this. I'm getting a response, product response, right, from the get product API method from product services. There I'm finding in the response that give me a product, selected product, which is matching to my selected product ID, and give me a respective lobby category also, which is respected to my selected lobby category ID, right? And this guy, this lobby category object I will be getting in the lobby category list, which is given as an input to me, right? Product response, anyways, I am hitting the product service and getting it. So in both the arrays, product response dot data, right now it's an array, and lobby category list, which is already an array, which is passed from the parent component to this component. So both are the arrays, and in these arrays, I'm writing a find function. I'm finding my selected product ID and lobby category ID. Selected product ID and lobby category ID. I'm basically fetching the entire object. So I'm getting the entire object. And now what I can do is I can first populate my rest to IDs, rest to properties of my lobby category. So in lobby category, product ID and lobby category ID is already populated. What is not there is the product name, right? Which will get it from here. Say product equals to product dot name, and you say this dot lobby category name, which you will get it from here. Say lobby category. Say lobby category dot lobby category name. Ideally it should be lobby category name, but I can see this is an issue. Okay, so lobby category dot lobby category with all caps, right? So to avoid the confusion, I can say L category, right? And this guy I can change to L category dot lobby category, which is a name basically, which should be lobby category name. It's a mistake, and later it is going to be rectified. I'm going to rectify or refactor all these things, right? And now I can finally, once my object is done, once my object is fully populated with product ID, product name, and lobby category ID and lobby category name, now my object is complete, and I'm pushing it to the list. I'm pushing it into the list. Now let's put a console log and check, am I getting the right list or not? Is it coming, completely okay or not? Let's check. So yeah, let's check now. Let's see. Yeah. So okay. Now if you see, I click on the deals of the day, click on the iPhone 6 and I say add. So if you see, yes, I am getting that one added. So I am getting the object which is having iPhone 6 as well as deals of the day. Let's see, if I say same deals of the day, I'm adding iPhone 7 as well, add. So will I get two arrays, array of two elements? Yes. If I say expensive bag also and add, will I get three? Yes. You can see three records got added. If I say expensive watches also and say add, so yes, you'll see the fourth of them, all four of them got added. So idea is to print the list over here and then finally say save. So let's see how we go to proceed with that. So add product under lobby category. Will be like okay, so this list is there. What I can do is I can now see I need to communicate between two components, right? Why I'm saying is because I have this list should be printed, this list should be printed, right? After adding it, this list should be printed in different component, which is nothing but this lobby category product list component, right? Lobby category product list component. This component should get printed here. So how are we going to pass it over here? So it's very simple thing. What you do is, do we have a lobby category service? If not, we'll create one. Let's see, lobby category service. We have, yeah, we have lobby category service. Very good. We have a specific service. So remember, what did I tell you in the architectural diagram, that we don't have our service, I mean, we don't have it only for HTTP calls, but we can create our own business logic also over here.